What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your nearby people or nearby friends on Instagram. So let's get started. What you need to do first, you have to go to your Instagram account. After going to Instagram account, you have to click on your search bar just like this. Then you have to click on search. So after doing so, you have to type your city name that you are lived in. You have to type this. I'm living in Dammam, that's why I'm typing Dammam. If you're living in New York, if you're living Bangladesh, Dhaka, there whatever city you are in, lived in, you have to type it here. Okay. After typing that, you have to click on search. Then you have to scroll a little bit and find an option called places. Then you will find a option called full address, just like this, Dammam Saudi. After typing so clicking on this, you will find a option called top and recent. You have to click on recent. Then you will find a bunch of people's post or from your city. They are all the posts that are people lived in Dammam. They are post on this. So after finding all the posts, you have to click on this just like this. This man is living on Dammam, so I can find him just like this. You can see their profile, otherwise you can follow them or message them. So this is how you can find your nearby people or nearby friends on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.